Module 1, Relational Summary Lecture GSE1, Southern Oscillations and Ripple Effects. In Neville Shute's chilling Cold War novel, On the Beach, which appeared in 1957 and was made into a feature film 2 years later with Hollywood stars Gregory Peck, Ava Gardner, Fred Astaire, and Anthony Perkins, the last survivors of the human race find themselves in the land down under, waiting to see if the fallout from a global nuclear war will reach them. As Wiki's plot synopsis tells it, quote, in early 1964, in the months following World War III, the conflict has devastated the entirety of the northern hemisphere, killing all humans after polluting the atmosphere with nuclear fallout. Air currents are slowly carrying the fallout south. The only areas still habitable are in the far reaches of the southern hemisphere, end quote. The hope is that being far away from civilization, far in the southeast quadrant of our planet, separated by the vastness of the Pacific Ocean, can protect us from the negative effects of civilization.